Most people get travel ESIMs wrong by assuming they all offer the same coverage and speed, but choosing the right one for Nepal can make a huge difference in connectivity and costs. Today, I'll share my experience testing all available options. Nepal's main ESIM providers include Airlo, Holafly, and local telecoms. Airlo offers flexibility and competitive rates with multiple data packages, ideal for short trips. Holafly provides unlimited data plans, which are convenient but more expensive. Local telecoms, like Ncell and Nepal Telecom, often offer the fastest speeds and best coverage in rural areas, which is crucial if you are trekking or visiting remote regions. I tested data speed, reliability, and cost on each ESIM. Airlo performed well in cities, but struggled in mountainous areas. Holafly was consistent, but pricey. Local SIMs provided the best coverage and speeds, especially outside Kathmandu and Pokhara. Most people get this wrong by choosing the cheapest plan without considering coverage. They may end up without service in critical areas. Activation is another factor. Most ESIMs activate quickly via QR codes or apps, but local providers sometimes require registration or in-person verification. Planning ahead ensures you are connected immediately upon arrival. In conclusion, the best ESIM for Nepal depends on your travel style. For city-based trips, Airlo or Holafly works well. For trekking or rural travel, a local provider is the safest choice. Most people get this wrong by prioritizing cost over coverage, which can ruin your experience. Subscribe for more travel tips and ESIM reviews to make your trip smoother and stress-free.